Next question with regard to sports awards. Major Dhyan Chandra Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award, Dronocharya Award, and Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar. All these are mentioned in our booklet, current affairs booklet. November 2022 current affairs book for IAS Prelims 2023, page number 107. Here it is mentioned. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award is given for a spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sports by a sports person over a period of 4 years. Now see this first option. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award for most spectacular and outstanding performance in the last 4 years. Therefore, first one is correct. Now see the Arjuna Award. Arjuna Award is given for good performance over a period of previous 4 years. Here Arjuna Award for the lifetime achievement by sports person. Therefore, this is wrong. Now check this third one. Dronocharya Award for outstanding coaches in sports and games is given to the coaches for doing outstanding and meritorious work on a consistent basis for enabling sportsperson to excel in international events. Dronocharya Award to honor eminent coaches who have successfully trained sportspersons or teams. Therefore, third is correct. Now check the last one. That is Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar is given to the corporate entities both in private and public sector. Sports control boards, NGOs, sports bodies who have played a visible role in the area of sports. Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar to recognize the contribution made by the sports person even after their retirement. Therefore, this is wrong. Only 1 and 3 is correct. Therefore, only 2B is the answer. This question is solved.